How to trade with Pocket Option platform. Register with one click. Try to open a trade in demo mode. Or start with a real balance to get a profit. Choose an asset. You can select it from the list. Or switch between trading instruments. Let's trade on a currency pair Euro to US dollar. Select an amount starting from $1. Check the main graph and determine the changing trend. Set the expiration time. Open a trade on up or down. If your forecast is correct, you'll get a profit.
How to verify your account. Click on the profile icon and start a verification. Confirm your email. Check your email. Follow the confirmation link. Verify your identity. Select your country. Select the type of your ID document and upload its photo. Pass a selfie check. Wait a few minutes. Verification is complete.
How to make a deposit. Log into your Pocket Option. Click on the top-up button or open the Finance menu. Choose the most convenient payment method: bank cards, e-wallets, cryptocurrencies. Enter payment details. Select an amount. Deposit more than $50 and get a 50% bonus. Your local currency will be automatically converted into USD. No fees by the platform. How you can make a real profit. How to withdraw your profit. Log into your account. Open the Finance menu and choose Withdrawal. Select the payment method. Check your balance and set a withdrawal amount. Enter account details and proceed. With 0% platform fees. Processing time depends on the method, up to 1 to 3 business days.
How to use the trading panel. The trading panel is located on the right side of the trading interface. Here you can find buttons for opening trades, setting the expiration time, trade amount, and profit percentage. There are 2 expiration modes on Pocket Option. The first mode is for the total expiration time, which shows the duration of the trade. You can open trades from 5 seconds to 4 hours. The second mode is flagged. It allows you to open trades with predetermined expiration time. In this mode, trades from 30 seconds to 30 minutes are available. The trade amount can be specified in dollar or percentage equivalents. The profit percentage varies and depends on the chosen asset and trade amount. The trading panel can be hidden in the multi-chart mode to free up the working area of the screen for the selected asset. To do that, just click on the Gamepad button. Click again to return the trading panel to the screen. This feature is only available in the multi-chart mode. How to use a demo account. A demo account is available on Pocket Option both before registration and at any time after it. A demo account provides all the features of a real account and is a copy of it, but with some minor limitations. Assets, their profitability and charts are the same as when trading on a real account. The starting balance of a demo account on Pocket Option is $50,000. Demo account is used to learn trading, so it is impossible to withdraw funds from it. The social trading feature is also not available on the demo account. How to top up a demo account? To top up to your demo account, click Top Up, select the amount, and click Add. A demo account is a great opportunity for beginners to learn trading and hone their money management skills. Experienced traders can use a demo account to practice new strategies without the risk of losing money. How to use trading assets. More than 250 trading assets are available on Pocket Option. Currency pairs, commodities, stocks, shares, indices, cryptocurrencies, and OTC assets available around the clock. How to choose a trading asset. You can select an asset by opening a relevant category or entering its name in the search field. The Shift plus F key combination opens the list of assets right during trading. Add assets to your favorites to access them quickly. Starred assets are available in the Quick Access panel at the top of the trading interface. How to use different chart types. There are 4 chart types available on the trading platform: line, candles, bars, and Heikin Ashi. The line chart is a tick chart that displays real-time price movement. A tick represents the minimum price change. At maximum zoom, you can see several ticks per second. The candles chart displays the range of price movement from maximum to minimum on a certain time interval. The body of the candlestick shows the range between the opening and closing prices. The thin line, candle shadow, displays the maximum and minimum price fluctuations during the candle's formation. If the closing price is higher than the opening price, the candle is green, and if the closing price is lower, the candle is red. The bars chart type shows information about the opening, closing, minimum and maximum prices for the specified time interval. Short horizontal lines on the sides of the bar represent the opening price, left, and the closing price, right. The Heikin Ashi chart is similar to a candlestick chart, but its candles are generated using a formula that helps to smooth out price noise and fluctuations. For chart types like candles, bars, and Heikin Ashi, you can choose the display interval, change the color, and adjust the thickness of the candle in the chart settings menu. The timer feature allows you to see the duration of the candle on the chart. How to use indicators. Indicators are elements of technical analysis used to forecast price movements and market trends. To add indicators to the chart, click on the icon at the top left of the trading interface and select an indicator. It will automatically be added to the chart. You can add any indicator to your favorites by clicking the star next to its name. To configure the indicator, click on the pen icon next to the indicator name. To remove an indicator from the chart, open the Indicators section, go to the Current tab, and click on the trash can icon next to the indicator. If you are enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe. An indicator can also be removed directly from the chart. To remove all indicators from the chart, go to the All tab and click on Delete All. How to use the momentum trading strategy. Today we will show you how to use the momentum strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the momentum indicator created by French mathematician Paul-Émile Appel. Momentum shows the strength and direction of the trend, as well as the further potential of its development. How to set up momentum indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 10 to make the indicator more sensitive to short-term price movements. Keep an eye on the indicator line relative to the 100 level. Open an up trade when the momentum line rises above the 100 level. This is a signal that the price is gaining speed and may continue to rise. Open a down trade when the momentum line falls below the 100 level. This is a signal that the price is losing speed and may begin to fall. Combine momentum signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. You can learn how the RSI and MACD indicators work in these videos. Happy trading on Pocket Option, link in the description.